Hi, I'm Leslie Strachan, and I wanted to hop on today to tell you about my amazing new boot camp that's happening in February 2021. And the reason I decided to put the program together, because I know a lot of people, including myself from time to time, who are really worried about the future. They've been furloughed, they've been made redundant, they want to get back into the job market, teenagers want to find a life and career that they will love. And there's all sorts of things that are leading us to doubt our skills and abilities, and we're also lacking in confidence a little bit. So I wanted to reach out and help you with this because I can guide and help you, because I want to offer you a way forward. So why don't you come and work with me and learn some of the success principles that were originally put together by Jack Canfield Training Group, where I'm a trainer there. So we'll look at your self-belief and self-confidence, we'll look about taking responsibility and how you react to different events in your life, and more importantly, look at what you want to achieve in your life. And together, I want to help you, hold your hand, and put together a vision board, a pictorial view of where you see your life going. And then we're going to do a roadmap. It could be 5, 10, 15, 20 years of the steps that you need to take to actually get what you want out of life. But the core skill is to actually understand what you do want. And we know that 74% of adults and teenagers have really no idea. So I know it's really difficult, and you're probably sat there thinking, oh, it might not work for me. I can't afford it. That's absolutely fine. I've been where you are right now. But the thing is, if you do nothing, then you're still going to stay in the same place and feel the same way. So you have absolutely nothing to lose at all. So my name's Leslie Strachan. I'm a certified trainer in the Success Principles by the Jack Canfield Training Group. I've been proud to be associated with that group for a number of years now, and I have learnt so much. So, a bit about the boot camp. I am doing live training. You'll get me as the trainer for 8 1-hour sessions starting on February the 9th, 2021. You're going to learn all sorts of cool stuff. And the end, what you see is a transformation in the way you think about your life and career, about the way forward, and an improvement, certainly, a transformation in your self-confidence. I can't recommend it enough. I've done this course so many times, it's ridiculous, but it keeps you going. So what can you do to find out more? If you go and look on an online course site called Thinkific, that's THINKIFIC, and look for Leslie Strachan School, then you can find out more. I've written a whole load of stuff about what it's all about. And I would love you to do a bit more exploration, and I'd actually like you to join me too. Come on, what are you waiting for? Your new life awaits.